The outlook for 2018 is positive. I'm very positive. I'm looking forward to see more growth on the top line, but also on the EBIT side. And a lot of things are going on within our company. We are optimizing our processes in the business, but also in the overhead functions. And we do a lot of investments into digitalization in our IT tools, in our IT landscape, but also into services for the digital world in the IoT, privacy sphere and others. So I'm looking very positive into 2018.
Our services are prominent in more or less every item that surrounds us. And working for TÜV Rheinland has a purpose and a meaning, because we take care that technology as well as environment and society are safe. And I think that's a very strong argument. So if you're an engineer, you should also be interested in TÜV Rheinland, because we're always at the edge of technology. And if you're an IT expert, we're looking for your application.
If I have a choice only to mention one, then I have to refer to digitalization. Digitalization is a topic which is so widespread in its implication for our business that we have to address digitalization with much more vigor in the future. Digitalization for us means digitalization in the technology. We are making sure in the future that the communication between the different devices within the Internet of Things is working properly, that there is certain standards followed, but we will also make sure that data that are produced are worked with very consciously, and that there is no threat of cybersecurity or any other attacks towards the systems and the data. So there are many, many different facets if we look into the different industries. Of course, mobility of the future comes to mind, but also modern applications in the medical industry, in the industrial area, the control of equipment, control of production and manufacturing activities. All those areas are very, very, very important when it comes to our services in digitalization.
2017 was a pretty solid year for TÜV Rheinland. We were able to reach nearly 2 billion in turnover based on constant currencies. And despite the transformation of TÜV Rheinland and despite some headwinds we had in South America, we were able to achieve 2.8% revenue growth. And while taking significant measures also to reshape TÜV Rheinland, we are quite satisfied that we were able to improve our margin from 6.4% to 6.6%, which is also in line with our Strategy 2020 goals we have set ourselves. And during 2017, we have invested nearly 90 million euro in CapEx, mainly in the area of IT, but also in our international global laboratory network, and of course in innovation.